During our first lesson last week, our listener Isaac Omweri asked, "Can I understand energy feeds?" Yes, Isaac. In a very simple way, energy feeds are the fuel of an animal. They give animals power and strength, like fuel in a car. They help animals walk and move, keep warm, particularly during nights and during cold seasons, read during the winter. They make animals grow, produce milk, meat, or eggs. If energy is low, animals become thin, weak, slow, and poor milk and meat or growth producers. In order for a farmer to recognize energy feeds, they should note that energy feeds are starchy, sugary, oily, and in most cases bulky. Common examples are maize grains, sorghum, millet, cassava, sweet potatoes, rice bran, wheat bran, molasses, yam peels, and fodders like napier grass, boma rods, and nearly all types of spear-shaped or sharp-pointed grasses. If it tastes starchy or sweet, it is likely an energy feed.